Now we are ready to fit the DTI model to the pre-processed diffusion data. Let's create a new process and call this Fit DTI. For each new process, you will need to stage the data again. So select your first subject and as data type choose the anatomy and diffusion data. Then select as data objects your aligned T1 scan and your processed diffusion scan. As input, we will choose the already selected pre-processed diffusion scan. You can choose to also give a brain mask as input. If not, this app will create it for you using the FSL brain extraction tool. For shell, type 1000 to fit the model on the BS1000 shell. Make sure you archive your data. While we wait for this process to finish, we can already submit a request to generate an image of the tensor. Here as input, we can see the requested tensor output from the previous app. Make sure again you archive your data and that you give a tag. As you can see, the app finished running in about 4 minutes, and after this you can check your output again in the file viewer. Here you can take a look at the different scalar maps that were created using the process. You can also check the output using the quality assurance apps. Here we created images of AD, FA, MD and RD. Once you're happy with the results, you have successfully finished pre-processing your diffusion data and you're ready to move on to the next tutorial.